So today we are back again with our block 4. Okay, so while going to back 4, so previously let us remember what we completed. So we read about Ben. Yes, in the lesson Ben, what did you observe? What festival they were celebrating? They were celebrating the Christmas festival. Now, so let us see our aim. What is our aim today? Today our aim is to compare festivals of different places. Children, do you think we have only one single festival or many festivals and all are having the same festivals? Did you ever observe some festivals are celebrated by us and some festivals by others? Did you observe that? Yes. Festivals are different for different people according to their culture, their religion, the place they live. According to that, the festivals are celebrated. And even the way of celebrating the festivals is quite different when compared with the people living in one place to the people living in other place. People belong to one religion and the people belong to other religion. The way of celebrating the festivals will be different. But some things while celebrating the festival, we can observe some common similarities between the people. How are they celebrating the festival? So today let us discuss the comparing the festivals of different places. So while comparing, we will compare the differences and also the similarities of the festivals. Coming to India, we are celebrating more than 500 festivals every year. So we have some national festivals, religious festivals, even according to the change of season and weather also we celebrate the festivals. And some festivals are celebrated by the families in individual, something like their birthdays, marriage days. So these are the things which they celebrate at their home. But festivals are different. They are celebrated in group by many people. Okay. So individual festivals, what we celebrate, that particularly pertain to our home. Okay. To some people. But the festivals which we celebrate overall are quite different. And some we celebrate in common. So let us see what are they. So are you ready, kids? Children, by seeing this image, what festival can you remember? Yes, it is a Christmas festival. Merry Christmas. So when do we celebrate? We celebrate Christmas on every December 25th. Can you see there who is there in that? Yes, Santa Claus. So Santa Claus gives gifts to the children. Now can you identify this picture? What is this? When do you celebrate like that? So we call it as Sankranti. On the time of the Sankranti festival, we do such things. Can you see? These are all the symbols we use for Sankranti, Pongal. Can you see the decorated cow? We worship the cow. So kites, flying the kites, sweets and everything. So it is a festival of Makara Sankranti. So on that day, what do the people do? Normally, they decorate their houses, they fly the kites, they enjoy everyone. So such things they used to do on the time of the festivals. Can you see there? Yes, many people are celebrating in such a way their festivals. Now, can you remember what festival it is? Yes, it is the festival of Diyas, that is Deepavali. It is also a famous festival celebrated by the people of our country. Can you see there? Yes. So they are lighting the diyas. They decorated it. They decorated them with different types of diyas, rangolis, the sweets and everything you can see there. So on the day of the Diwali festival, how they are going to celebrate, how are they offering their pujas and everything. By seeing these pictures, we can have a identity. Even just by seeing something, we can find what is going on there. So normally, if you observe on every festival, so if you see this, what type of festival it is? It is Raksha Bandhan, where a sister ties a Rakhi to brother. So that is a Raksha Bandhan festival. So if you observe, according to the festival, there are something which we do, every religion. So according to the religion, what do they do? Normally, they offer prayers. So Muslims, they offer their prayers in the mosque. So they go there, they offer the prayers and they come. Even the Christians, they offer the prayers, they go to church, they all pray to God to bless them so that they can live happily. Even in Hindus, the family members, they go to temples or they offer their prayers to God by decorating it home. Now can you see all? They gather together to offer the prayer to God. Also we decorate our houses. So at the time of festivals, normally we decorate our houses by using different flowers. Can you see the different kinds of flowers? By using all the different flowers, they decorate the houses according to the puja, according to the festival and everything. The decoration will be done even in the temples, church, masjid, mosque, everywhere they decorate. So normally children like to enjoy the weather. Even the family members, they all try to gather with each other. We all really enjoy the atmosphere of the festivals. Yes, children, do we? Yes, we really enjoy the time of festival. Even we can find delicious food, different types of sweets, and our family members all gather together to have our breakfast, dinner and even lunch. Even some children get gifts at the time of the festival. Parents give the gifts, even friends, relatives, grandparents, they all offer gifts to the children, those who are living in their houses. Yes? Yeah, we get many gifts from everyone. Even our parents, before the day of the festival, they will take us to the shop. They will buy different clothes. Yes? So we enjoy the shopping with our parents. We wear different types of clothes, traditional dresses, and we enjoy with our family members, friends. We gather somewhere. Don't we, children? Yes, really we enjoy the day of the festivals along with our family. So this is happening even from many years. So these are the things normally we do in common on the day of the festivals. Now children, open your volume page number 26. Can you see? You can see two questions there. Now coming to first question. How is your festival the same as Ben's festival? Write two similarities. So previously we discussed that some festivals, on the day of the festival we do something same. So according to that, you recall and just write them. Two similarities. Now next one, how is your festival different from Ben's festival? Write below. So you can see name of the Ben's favorite festival and name of my favorite festival. So in the left column, what you are seeing there, you write about the Ben, his festival, and why do he like that festival and everything about the Ben's festival. In the right side column, you want to choose one festival which you like. On about that, you want to complete the volume. Okay.